everyone, just a quick video for you today. This is the CuteBee DIY kit that is Japanese Ryokan, which is a traditional hot spring hotel. I've been working on it for quite a while now and have been starting to assemble the main structure now. So I changed the perspective of the camera for this video and probably going forward because we don't need to see the whole view at once until probably the end. But here I'm showing you today's structure is this inside first floor. So you can see this was one of the boards I showed in a previous video where we glued one side paper to it. The other side is without any layer because you don't need to see underneath this one. The other floors are double-sided because you will get to see both sides. This is a little deck, kind of engawa, as they say in Japan. And you can see these little legs that kind of support it. So it's really cute. I think it came out really, well, and it fits together with no problem. And then also I have this music box to show you today. So let me show you in the manual. So first off, here is what it will look like in the finished product in the future. And today's pages, we started with this structure from the last video. And then we started doing this kind of framework to put down. And then that floor piece. And then you glue onto the front of these kind of texture looking paper for the board pattern. There we go. And then you glue the deck pieces, pushing them together and making that shape. Before you do that last piece of deck, you have to put these panels on the wall to make this kind of decorative kind of wall here. And then you glue that last deck piece there. And then there is the music box. You kind of just press against the little holes that were already there and cut. And then you screw them in. So the back side looks like that. I won't show you that on my version. Instead, you'll just see the front side here because I don't want to move the camera around too much. But here are those glued on, no problem. These as well, and they kind of hide any kind of extra glue you were doing with the boards underneath. And this is the music box, so let's give it a quick listen. It's pretty easy to work. And that's it. So in the future, when the staircase is here, I won't be able to manually stop that. But for now, that's one kind of round of this music box. And it's a really cute song. I think it's like Spirited Away, the Japanese hot spring Ryokan Ghibli movie. That song is, I think, based on their theme for that movie. But I don't think it's exactly the same, you know, copyright issues and whatnot. But that's all I have to show you today is this first floor arrangement. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. And I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you.